Once you make these potatoes, you won't stop doing it. Really, really simple. Sliced potatoes, milk, a little bit of spices in the oven. That's it. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you're going to need something that can go into the oven. Ceramic, which I'm using, metal or glass. What I've done is I've rubbed that lightly with butter. So I've got some potatoes here. They've been peeled and sliced and they're quite thin. We're going to just pop them in a layer at a time. So let me get a layer in, then I'll be back. Little bit of nutmeg, some black pepper, and some salt. And then what I'm going to do is layer again, add the seasoning again, layer again till I use up all of my potatoes. Next up, we're going to add some butter in there. I've got like 2 tablespoons in total, just sort of randomly put in. I've got some grated Parmesan cheese here, which I'm going to pop in there. As much or as little as you like. We're then going to grab some milk. I've got a full fat milk here. Some people would even use cream. There's 600 ml right here. Okay, we're going to pop that into the oven. Middle shelf, medium heat. I'll leave some details below for the exact timings in ovens and gas. That's going to go in my oven, medium heat, for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so that's straight out of the oven, nice and hot. So the milk would have evaporated and soaked up. Get your fork. You can see that is super soft, delicious. Really easy and tasty. Serve that and you will be loved. Beautiful.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.